Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I was going through my Twitter account and actually I have the Dev Express with a alert notification. So every time the XAF publish something, I get an alert right away. So I saw this tweet about how to generate database updated code for XAF security roles, and I thought that's really neat because we all have done this type of code. We all have done this 200 line set type permission, read, write, access, deny, allow. It's just cumbersome. So I decided to just clone the repo. We have it here in this link. I will put it in the description of the video and just play with it to see how everything works here. So they have a really nice uh, readme here where they have the implementation steps one by one. What are the files that you most probably will have to see so you can have a better understanding of what's going on. So I did clone the repo. I have it right here and I just quickly browse over the classes. So they have a role generation here that go over to the permission policy member, you go over the navigation permission, and it's actually creating, you see it's concatenating the string that is gonna produce the actual code input that we're gonna then being able to use. And if you check here, they have it in the operation builder. They have all the operations: read, write, create, delete, navigate, full access if we have access to everything, CRUD, read and write. And if we keep going, we see how are they again concatenation to get the operation and everything. So it's a nice solution and I decided to give it a try. So it's a simple SAF module, a SAF application with two classes, department and employees, and they have a role generation controller where they enable the action generate role. So let's see it in action and then we come back to here to the code. Let's see. And they have here the administrator role and the default role. I did a new one, a demo, but let's create a new one. We're gonna say YouTube demo and we're gonna add some navigation permissions right here. Let's say that we have permissions to employee and we allow it. And actually, let's add some time permission. Let's say the same thing. Employee, allow, 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 allow. So full permission. So we save and close here. And then we have the new role. So let's say that we want to use that role. So this is all happening in the development phase. So we run the application, we create the role that we want to try. We can even use Yamachan previous security mode. And after we are sure that this role is the one that we want, that is good to go, so we click here generate role. And this is the nice thing. Name it however you want, uh, and you wherever you want to save it. Let's put it in the desktop. So if we now go to the desktop quickly, we have this file here that we can check that the the code that was generated. We can see here that we have add navigation with the employee list view that we add. We have add type permission with the employee object and complete full access because we allowed read, write, delete, and create. We have the name of the role, so we pretty much have the complete role. So if we want to put this to the updater, we can copy the whole function, of course, so we can even copy just this part and come to the solution, go to the updater, and hey, we can even replace this default role, put the new function, the new method, and we're good to go. I think that that's really nice and will save us a lot of time, a lot of set type permission, add member permission, and everything else. And if we see the operation builder, we have read, write, all the operation here. We check the role generator, we have again navigation permission, type permission, object permission, member permission. So it will generate for everything, every operation and every type of access that our role has. They also say that sometimes we, and most of the time actually, we extend our security system, we extend our permission policy user, we extend our permission policy role. So let's say that we extend our security role. So if we extend our security role, then we will have to, in the event customized code lines, we should have these new properties. Let's say this is the example that they always use. We have a role that we want to allow them to have the possibility to export or no. So they put a boolean field that they can export. So we will have to add that can export functionality. And actually, let's do it right here. Let's test it. I haven't done this, so let's do a new business object and let's stop this. Mhm. Let's do my custom role, and this one will inherit from permission policy role. Perfect. And then let's add a new field. Let's say XPB. Let's can export. Same thing that they always do. So close this. Let's just compile quickly. Shift Control B. Let's go to the application and let's change our role for our custom one. Perfect. So now we should go to our, let's check the documentation quickly. Where are we doing this? In the controller. And let's copy this. Let's see that. Okay, role controller, it have to be the one on the node, and let's add this here. So this one will be our role, my custom role. And that will be it, right? No, I still have to add the event, of course. So after the role is created, the role generator, put it here, and we will good to go. Let's try it again. Let's see what it does. Okay. Let's open this. Okay. Customize layout. Add. It's not there. What am I missing? Okay. Let's create a new one. Okay, my custom role. Of course, we kept the model different, so it's showing everything else. So my custom role, we go to new and we have the can export. Click on it. Let's put YouTube demo 2. Same thing. Now let's do department. Let's do only read and write. And let's do navigation department as well. Save and close. Go to tools, generate role, test 2, and let's see it. Test 2. And we can see that it adds the new property. Role can export through. I think that this is a huge time saver, so I appreciate the spreads to allow us to have this nice way of avoiding again this conversion. Well, thanks a lot, and if you have any comment, please let me know, and see you next video.